Hi there. We had so much fun making those Hexaflexa snowflakes that I thought it might be fun to try another Hexaflexagon project. So, for this project, you will need one of these printouts. It's double-sided, some scissors, and a glue stick. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out my strips. Okay, I want to cut out this strip and this strip along the outsides. All right, I'm going to pause it now, and I'll be right back. And voila, I have my two strips. Now you'll notice that one end of one of these strips has an A on it, on a blank triangle, and on the opposite side at the other end has a Y, and the other strip has a blank triangle with B on it, and on the opposite side on the other end is an X. You're going to glue first, you're going to glue the A triangle to the B triangle. Line it up as best you can so that you then will have a long strip. Try to line up the pictures as best you can, because when this is done, it's going to be pretty cool how the pictures line up when you flex your hexaflexagon. Okay, so I've glued that A to B, and I have one long strip. All right, one long strip. Then I'm going to start folding at the triangles. I need to fold the triangles, kind of like we did with our hexaflexagon last time. Okay, I want them to be folded in opposite directions, but at this point I think it'd be a good idea to fold them forwards and backwards so that each line, each triangle, is folded both ways. Because this one goes together, it's a little more complicated. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I've folded it all so that the folds go both ways. Okay, and I can gather this whole thing into one equilateral triangle if I wanted to, because there's 18 triangles then plus an extra one that has a glue down kind of tab. This one's going to be a little different than the Hexaflexaflake because instead of just 3 faces, it's actually going to show you 6. So, folded it all together. Now we're going to refer to some instructions that might be helpful. So we lay our strip this way, right here at number 2. You can see number 2 here. Okay, you've got your strip, so you lay it that way so that the X is on the right, and the other square, looks like it has a flower picture in it, is on the left. And you're going to fold it just like it shows you there so that the Y shows up, and then you're going to fold it and keep folding it. And what you're ending up doing is really folding it so that it kind of rolls it. Right? Kind of rolls it. Spirals it, as it were, really. Okay? All right. So you'll end up with this. One strip, but it's all rolled up. All right? It's all rolled up. And on one end, you have the X, or the Y, sorry, and on the other end, same face, you have the X. Okay? Now, we're going to fold this into a flexagon, and that's a little trickier. I'll refer to the instructions, and those will be posted for you also, so that you can fold this way. So let's look at that. You can see, once you have this strip this way at number 3, like I just showed you, if you follow these directions, you can fold it into a hexaflexagon. This one is going to show you 6 faces. And the tricky part about it is that the pictures on the face that you have when you folded it on the front should match up, just like the pictures on the back when you fold it up should match up. So if you folded it wrong, don't glue it until you fix it so that you fold it so that the pictures match up. And once you folded it, you glue X to Y, okay? This one says you might want to clip all the corners out to make it easier to flex. Let the glue dry, and then flex away and see what faces you see. All right? So, good luck with this. I think you guys will have a lot of fun with this. Don't let it frustrate you too much, but success will give you a 6-sided hexaflexagon. Happy holidays.